Let's understand how this thought process works, which heals us and it makes us sick. So there's something called nervous system in our brain, and our human response to stress happens, this process happens in the nervous system. It has two gears, sympathetic system and parasympathetic system. Now, simply by changing our breath, we can shift the gear. It's as simple as that. Nobody can tell you simpler than this. No psychologist, psychiatrist can help you more than your breath. By simply start breathing slow, we can shift the emotional gear. If you don't trust me, you can experience it right now. We'll do a small little exercise. And and this is the subject of my PhD actually. I'm doing a research on the hypocrisy of human mind, that we say we want to be happy. We say we want peace and joy and love and bliss in our life. And the hypocrisy is this. I'm sorry for using a strong word because I'm using for my PhD research, that we are hypocrites because we want to be happy, but we are not ready to even do a small little task of breathing slowly, because this is the seed. And after doing the years and decades of research across the world, and for you to know thousands of years practice into the mindfulness, and this scientific research has boiled down to one point: change your breathing and learn to be the master of controlling the gears of our nervous system. This can change our life. And let's do how. It's very simple. It's very simple. And hypocrisy is this: we are not ready. And I bet all of you who are here today, if you start having 10 to 15 minutes every day of breathing, your life will change for good. I guarantee you, I challenge you. You start from today, coming 3 months, you will have different experience from your life. But I bet maybe 90% will not do it because it's, problem is so big, solution how, it's going to be simple. We are trained to underestimate simple solutions and free advice. I know people who are paying 1,000 dirhams to a psychologist, psychotherapist, life coaches, personally, and learning what I'm sharing with you today. For you it's free, but tell me in the chat how many of you will start using this skill if you are convinced that this is going to change. And if you're not convinced with the research and the information I'm sharing, buddy, you have to just find out what the problem is. Because if I tell you don't use the phone, you'll not be able to make calls, you will not trust me. This science is established to that extent. Okay, let me not try and sell this more. Understand nervous system. Okay, sympathetic and parasympathetic system. So when we have sympathetic system kicking in our body, while we are using the system, the nervous system increases the heart rate, pulse rate, the saliva in the mouth dries up. When imagine a situation where somebody was after your life. I hope not. Just imagine that you are this cute little soul running in a wild, and the tiger or a lion or cheetah is chasing the life of a deer, and you are running to save your life. How we are going to react when you have to run for your life? Imagine, God forbid, if there's somebody to kill you out there on a street and your holiday and you're running. By the way, this has happened to us, not for the money. There were some people who wanted to just take away the bag, and I had my 2 kids. We were running in the streets of Greece, and I know heart rate increases, the breathing increases, thighs freezes, stomach cramps, body state, and you just run. You just wish somebody comes in front of you. This is the sympathetic system. The moment we start breathing slowly, deeply, by only slowing down the breath through the nose, through the cage in the stomach, the parasympathetic system, nervous system, helps to reduce the heart rate, pulse rate, relaxes the body. The eyes are more flexible and relaxed. The body feels the flow of the fluids inside. So that's the parasympathetic system. By simply changing the breath, our whole biochemistry changes automatically. It's that simple. The moment you feel the anger, the negative emotional experience, start breathing. And do one more thing extra. Put your ear on the sound of the breath. While you are listening to me, release your stomach, remove all the stress from your chest, open up and drop your shoulders. While you are listening to me, start breathing from your tummy and you will feel it what I'm saying. And this is called belly breathing. And we will do a small little exercise which is called diaphragmatic breathing. You can get to know more about this from Harvard Medical Institute research. On YouTube, go and see diaphragmatic breathing and you will learn more about it. But right now, for you to take away, and if you just learn this, you will learn the life skill. Teach this to your children as an act of continuous charity. Okay, what you need to do is just sit straight on your chairs, backbone straight, feet flat on the floor, and just relax your shoulders. Breathe in and out slowly and deeply. Neck down, relax your biceps, arms. Okay, breathe in, keep breathing. Slow and deep. Slow and deep through your nose. Inhale and be comfortable. Both your palms on your thighs facing the roof. So your palm is facing upwards. Now, just try to pay attention on my words. You will inhale through your nose. You will exhale through your nose. When you will inhale, make sure your spine is straight and supported. When you will inhale through your chest, the air should go inside your belly button, inside your belly, your stomach. So when you will inhale, your stomach should rise up slowly. And when you will exhale through your nose, your stomach should start getting inwards, slowly, slowly. As if your belly button will touch your spine, back. Okay? So you have to take care of couple of things here. Inhale through nose. While you are inhaling, your stomach should rise upwards like a balloon. Inhale, rise out. Exhale, belly in. Inhale out, exhale in. So you will do inhale 3 seconds, hold 6 seconds, and breathe out for 9 seconds. And this rhythm should continue for 3 minutes. And once you will do this for 3 minutes, there will be longevity enzymes released in your body and they will stay for 6 hours. This is the research done by Heart Math Science Institute, and the frequency of our body, the vibrations in our body, they go on 0.1 hertz, means this is the healing frequency and the same frequency of the gravitational force of earth. So when we are aligned, when we are in the coherence with the gravitational force of the earth, so body, brain, heart and the earth gravity, we are in the perfect harmony. So this is the research. You can just Google about that. Let's start. For 3 minutes we will do this, and we are going to do it, I think, in 1 minute 3 rounds. In 3 seconds we will have 6 rounds. All right, so for those who are having difficulty in the instructions, please keep one hand on your chest so that you know your chest. You have to breathe through your chest, one hand on your stomach. So when you're breathing in, your stomach should rise, so your hand is moving outwards. All right, inhale, start. 1, 2, 3. The stomach is out. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start exhaling slowly and squeeze your belly in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is one round. Only 18 seconds, right? Let's do this again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Your belly is out. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 9 seconds. Squeeze your belly in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Please make sure No push, no pull, very easy, effortless. Belly out and hold, and exhalation also should happen slowly, gradually. No pull, push, no force. Alright, start again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. Tummy squeeze in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, third round. Inhale. Just those who are not able to cope up with this simple instruction, and I know there will be people, because in my last 4-5 years of practice, those who are coming and learning belly breathing, they have a problem in bringing their belly out because we hyperventilate. That's normal. People are not able to let go of the stress. Because of the stress, stomach doesn't know how to relax, so air is not felt in the stomach. As I know one person, I'm sorry, that person was not able to breathe from the belly, and he one day sitting on the chair fell under the table because he could not let the air be in his stomach. So I don't know how many of you are able to follow the instructions, but this is the key and takeaway. One more thing, some people may feel little headache. For those, it's an indicator that you are suffering from overthinking perhaps. Why? Because the oxygen, we more inhale the oxygen, it goes in the brain. So the areas which are not used in the brain for a very long time gets this extra flush of air, which opens up their channels, and they're not used to of that kind of exercise. So the small little exercise for the brain can be little uncomfortable, just like when we go in the gym, our body is uncomfortable. Similarly, this breathing, our body is not used to of this relaxation because body is stiff with the stress. When we go for the shopping, hold the shopping bags, our hands are still tight when we even drop the bags. Similarly, our body, the stress is conditioned in the body tissues. So let's do last time and we'll move forward. Do it right and correct, please. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Air in the stomach. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Exhale. Tummy in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And release. We will share your experiences towards the end of the presentation. Any doubts, any questions, please feel free to ask at the end. You can make a note of your questions and then we can revisit and clarify your doubts.